snow vid, January 19th, 2025. Started as a powder snow, wet snow that's accumulated pretty good. The last snow just melted off as temperatures finally reached below 50s for a couple days in a row. And now we have this snowstorm blasting in. Expected to get 1 to 3 inches of accumulation going. And then tonight is supposed to be like 9 or something crazy number, 17. Between 9 and 17 is seen on the phone tonight. And the next few nights will be like upper 20s, low 30s for the high. 5 to 11. Doing some winter preparations for the animals. Giving the chickens fresh feed and water. Turning on the horse's heater, Betty and Nacho's heater over there. And you can see we're getting some pretty decent accumulation because it's my full from today after there was no snow on the ground earlier today. Started off as kind of like some sleety looking stuff that didn't look like I was going to stick this afternoon. Which then transformed to a dry powdery snow briefly for about an hour, blowing around starting the initial accumulation. Now it's a wetter, stickier snow. Then we don't look at the place. Snow at least makes some pretty scenery and other exciting shit. Shoot skis about like a bunch of other exciting stuff. I Betty. I Nacho. I've come to add some heat to your situation here. Here we go. You need some high, boy. You need some hay, boy. We're gonna get you fixed up here in just a second. Hang on, boy. Alright. The heat is on. The heat is on. The heat is on, Nacho. Do you want an apple? Do you want an apple? Look. Look. There you go, boy. Eat that shit. Eat that apple. That's it, boy. Let's go on to Betty. Betty. Betty, look. Look, Betty. Apple. Apple. It's an apple, girl. It's an apple, girl. Look. She wants the apple. She wants the apple. Come on, Betty. Look, girl. Look, girl. Look, Betty. Betty. It's an apple, girl. I'm gonna roll it to you, okay? Here we go. Get it, girl. Nope. You're walking past it. Hurry, Nacho's gonna get it. Hurry, 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 girl.